Easy living awaits in an established riverfront community. Low maintenance, one level, all brick home, open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Enjoy slow living moments on the covered front porch with the serene Clinch River flowing nearby. The interior of the house has been meticulously maintained, reflecting the care and attention given by the current owners. Features include original hardwood floors, roof 2022, encapsulated crawl space 2022, water heater 2021, and updated windows 2013. Open floor plan allows for the total enjoyment of the gas starter wood burning fireplace from living, dining or kitchen for the upcoming season. Extended family room/sunroom on the back. Tons of closet space, floored attic storage shed, carport, wide driveway for 2, and a perfect sized grassy green level lot with fenced backyard. Minutes to boat ramps, parks, schools, restaurants, shopping, Norris Lake, Oak Ridge Lab, and downtown Knoxville. Don't miss the opportunity to make this well-maintained home yours.